Hello guys, welcome to Python Guru Tech Expert channel. In this video we will see how to enroll yourself in Windows Insider program and the system requirements required for Windows 11 update. I will share this link of Microsoft blog so that you can read by yourself the whole article and the system requirement you can see, and I will explain this system requirement for you. Let's get started. For system requirement, in processor you need 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatible 64-bit processor. Means you can check this. Open Windows Explorer. Open this Windows Explorer by clicking on Windows plus E shortcut key, and I will share the more shortcut keys of Windows 11 as well. And right click on this PC, open properties. Yeah, I am checking on Windows 11. You can check on Windows 10. You can see here processor is this with this 2.40 gigahertz and installed RAM is 8 GB. Mine is 8 GB. You need minimum of 4 GB RAM to install Windows 11 update. And you can see the storage of drive C. Mine is 50 GB free of 237 GB. You can check yours and try to install Windows 11 update and enroll yourself in the Windows Insider program. And yes, one more thing, please update your Windows 11 on the risk of your own. In my case, data is not deleted or any data loss. Please kindly save your data or backup your data while updating your Windows 11 from Windows 10. Now we will see the step-by-step procedure how to enroll in Windows Insider program and get the latest update of Windows 11 build. Like firstly click on the start button which is on the left hand side of the window, and then you need to click on the setting button which is above the Windows button and go to setting button, click on this and click on update and security which is on the bottom and the last option of this window, and you need to click on the Windows Insider program in the bottom of the screen in the left side. You need to enroll yourself in Windows Insider program to get the build of Windows 11, and you need to click on get started. After that you need to join the Windows Insider program, register yourself, sign up, and you need to submit. I have read the accept the terms of this agreement by clicking on this check button and then click on submit button. You are ready to go now and you can close this window. After that you need to sign in your account of Microsoft, and you need Microsoft account and basic configuration which I talked in the beginning of this video that you must have to install the Windows 11 update. After register yourself in Windows Insider program, it will ask you to restart the system. You can restart at that time or maybe later when you want to install Windows 11. If you restart that time, it will restart the system and you can go to Windows Update window again, which I shown you in the beginning of the video, and you can see the window on the screen right now, and click on the Windows Update and click on check update now, and you will see the Windows 11 build 10.0 point something which is the code of this build, and you need to click on the download button. After that it will start downloading and install on your system. After installation it will ask you to restart the system. After restarting the system you will see the Windows 11 updation begin and it will complete to 100%. Then hooray, you got your Windows 11. You will see the screen which is on your screen, which I clicked the pic of this screen of my Windows 11. After that the lock screen will visible to you and you can enter your pin and you will see the home screen or desktop of the Windows 11. This is the procedure of a Windows Insider program by which you can update your Windows 10 to Windows 11, and it will take including your downloading I think 45 minutes to 1 hour. It's depending on your speed. While I update my window it took I think 30 to 45 minutes around. So I'm giving you a 1 hour, and mostly depending on your speed of internet for downloading. This is the whole procedure to update your Windows Insider program, update your Windows 10 to Windows 11. If you need any help or any query, please mention in your comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, click on the subscribe button and get an update of Windows 11 and many more videos to come on this channel for Windows 11. And I am exploring this video and will show you the whole window features including the new snap feature. And thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.